Okay, we're going to have a quick look at one of the things you want to know how to do. It's to do with the program page, and it's actually making a link from one of the tabs into back to another part of the website. In other words, we go to mentors, we want to meet the mentors, so we make a linked keyword and it goes to the mentors. This is how you do that. Alright, so first of all, using the login details I've sent in the email, we log in. So I've created you a user account, so we just log into the back end. And once we're in the back end, we can then go back up to the front end. Once you've logged in, you'll see something which makes it easier to edit. So we go to visit website, and you'll notice that now we're logged in, at the top of the website are the edit access points. So what I'm going to do is go along to the program page. It's just the bit where we want to put in the URL to the link, the hyperlink, and we want to put that text into that area. So to do that, we have to go to the edit page, and what we then do is find the area that holds the program. So, and this sets up, so the front end where it says program is actually in here. So this bit here, accordion modified. So if we click on that, that will take us to all of the areas. So we go to mentor, and we then scroll down and we find the linked part. So basically, if you've got visual and you've got text, if I click on the text button, you'll see the actual code. So this bit here is the linked text, which is this bit here. And to do that, what we do is, so I shall type it again to show you. Meet the mentors, and then I highlight this text, and then I go up here and I find the link symbol. Okay. Once I found the link symbol, I can then type in the link that was in the first element. Let's just put that in as, where are we? So it can be any link at all. So what you do is you find the page. Once you type in the link and you click that, it comes up as a linked piece of text. Okay, so let's get rid of that. If we highlight that, this comes up, you can see it there. We'll then go in to edit it, and what I've done is I've put the link in with the actual anchor point, and this, the anchor point I'm talking about is this. Okay, so which when you click on team, it takes them to this element. So that's basically how you would do it. So then you save again, click up, and then update. Which means once you're actually in the site and you go into the program element and you go to the mentors, and then you see meet the mentors. Obviously you can make that say whatever you want it to say, but I put in from what you said, meet the mentors. I click on that and it then takes me back to the front page, exactly to where the mentors are. Okay, so that's for the desktop. Remember, this also has to be viewed on a smartphone or a tablet. So that is a slightly as an extra stage. So what we do is we go back to our accordion and the mentors, where we've just done the URL link, in fact. Go back down here. What we do is we go back to the text symbol, because this gives us the actual code. Copy that, close it, go back down here. Now this part here from the program here and these elements are for the smartphone, because this accordion setup doesn't work on a smartphone. Well, it does, but it doesn't look so good, so we did a slightly different system. We go into the mentors block, because that's where we want it, click up the text again, tag down twice, and then if you hold if you're on a PC, Control V will paste it. If we go back to visual, we can now see it here. Actually, let's take the space out, made it a bit too far down, and click save, and click update. Then what will happen now is when you visit the website on a smartphone and you go to that page, that URL link will be there, that hyperlink will be there in the mentors section, and you can click it and it will take them back through to the mentors, to meet the mentors section on the website. And that is how you do a quick URL hyperlink within text.